welcome to JHSNSS Maths. We are about to learn long division. Yeah, how to divide a number using this method, like the long division method. And here, we will learn it step by step so that you understand. We'll pick it from the scratch to the highest form, so that you will get it. So easy. So we are going to take the first example, which is number 1. So from here, from number 1 we go to number 2, number 3, and so on and so forth. So we have 2 divided by 135. Yeah, so 135, we are going to put the top here is going it's going to multiply the one at the side of the square root. So it's going to multiply the 2. So what we are going to do is that we are going to see if whether 13, 2 can go into 13, but no, because 13 is a prime number, so 2 cannot go into 13. So what can we do to catch up to this amount, like to this number? It's not an amount, it's not money, sorry, but to this number. So what we are going to do is that 2 times 1 is 2. So let me write here, 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 equals what? 4. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 times what? 6 equals what? 12. So 12 from here, 12 is the closest to 13. So we're going to put 6 here, showing that 2, 6 is what? 12. Then we'll write the 12 under the 13, exactly under the 13. So now we subtract 13 minus 12. So we do a subtraction and we get 1. So 1, this one is not a point, it was my pen. So let's continue. So we get 1 here. Yeah, so 1 here, this 5 here will drop and we'll make this 15. You get it? So the 5 here drops and becomes 15. So now we go back to our multiplication timetable, and as I was doing here, 2, 6 is 12, isn't it? So we want something which, we want a number which will be so close to 13, to 15. So which is this 15. So 2 times 7 is what? 14. So 14 is the closest to 15. Yes, it shouldn't be more than 15. If it's more than 15, it's going to be negative. So if it's going to be, when you subtract, it's going to be negative. That aspect is ahead of you guys. Like at the JHS level, this words, like, is good for you. But at the SS level, I'll also be doing a video on that. It's a kind of long division, but that one, it involves variables. Yeah, so let's continue. So we minus 14. They ask where from the 14. The 14 is from here. We wanted the closest to 15, the closest number to 15. So we were following 2 times 2. So 2 times 7 is 14, and it's the closest number to 15. So we do our subtraction, we get 1. So 2 times 7, so here is 7. So remember what? 1. So 1, now we put a dot here. Now in long division, whenever you put a dot after a number, you place 0 at the one after like the one you subtracted from. The remainder at the down. You see, it's 15 minus 14, and the remainder was 1. Yes. So whenever you do it, you just add 0 to it. Yeah. So that's a 0 over there. So 0. So 2 times what will give you 10. So from here, 2 5 is 10, isn't it? So we put 5 here, so 2 5 is 10. So when we subtract, it's 0 0. So if you pick your calculator and then you calculate 2 divided by 135 divided by 2 is equal to what? 67.5. The answer there. Yeah, so we had 67.5. So you can check from your calculator and you see that the answer is fully correct. Now let's go to number 2. Number 2, 10 divided by 1200. So this one, there's a trick regarding this one, that if you are not taught, you won't know. Yeah, if you are not taught, you won't know. But I'm looking for the tricky ones. I don't know if this one is part, but there's a trick in long division, and I'll teach you that one. I'll make sure I get an example for that. If I don't get an example, I'll make sure in my next video, or I'll do another video concerning long division, and I'll teach, like, that one will be like a 1 minute or a 2 minute video talking about the tricks, concerning long division. So this is what we're going to do here. So the closest number, so I'm going to pick it so smooth here. There's a trick. Good. So this one of the tricky ones. If you go according to this 10, maybe if you put 1 here and then you go 10 1 10, yes, 10 1 10, then you put 10 times, if I say 10 1 10, 10 times 1 is 10. So if you put 10 here and then you subtract, it's going to be left with 0 0. It's going to be 2, yeah, like 2 0 0, and like it's going to give you the same answer. But if you don't take care, in like if there is pressure, you're going to forget and you're going to leave it like that. So this is what you do. The only thing you do is that 10 times 12 is equal to what? 120. So 10 times 12, as you know, 10 1 10, the 10 times table is the most easiest, because you just add 0 to what you are multiplying it by, and then you are gone. So 10 times 9, you add 0 to the 9 is 90. So let's go on. So here I just put 12 here, and here will be 120. Okay, no, is that so? Yes. So as you can see, this one is even easy. Here, if I put 10, if I put 12 here, it's going to be 120. So when I put 120 here, it's going to be 1002. That's all. So here, this one is very, very easy. Very, very easy. So number 3, 5 divided by 17. So this is what we're going to do here. This is not so complex. So when you are in JHS, when you see these questions, do not panic. Rather, just rest and then just relax. That's what I'm trying to say by rest. Rest your brains, relax, and then just give it a thought, a light one, and you're going to do it from the scenario I gave you. So let's start it and let's begin. Let's finish it. So 5, how many times will 5 go into 17? 5 cannot go into 17, because we all know that they are all in the same cat, like, but it can't go. So what we are going to do is that we're going to find a number close to 17. So the number close to 17, 5 1 5, 5 2 10. 5 times 3 is 15. So 15. So we are going to put 3 here. So 15 is the closest number to 17. So when we subtract 15 from 17, we're going to get what? 2. So we have 5 here. 5 is going to drop. Then what times 5 is going to give you 25? 5 5 25. So we're going to put 25 here. So 5 5 is 25. So this here, you just also look for the closest number. If you check if 5 can penetrate through the number here, or you look for the closest number to that number, like we did for 17. So 25 and 25 is 0. So that 5 divided by 175, the answer is 35. So let's go to the next one, and then I'm gonna leave the rest up to you to pause the video and then solve it. So number 4, 10 divided by 210. This one is not so difficult. It's so easy. So what we're going to do is that I've already told you that if you get 10 divided by a number, or 10 multiplied a number, just add 0 to that number. 10 times 9, add 0 to 9, and we've got the 90. So that's the only thing. Is the most cheapest. I mean, in all the times tables, 10 is the most easiest. So let's go on. That's 10 for you. So this is the only thing that you will do. 10 divided by is it 210? 210. So 10 divided by 210 is, 10 times 21 is what? So 21 here. Just 21 times this one is 210. You are done. Or others would like to go, because they will say that I just used, like it's so easy or something, or they do not understand because the method is so short I used. So this one, how many times will 10 go into 21? 2 times, and 2 times, as we are seeing 2 times, so 2 is what? 20. So this one is 21. This one will drop 10 here. So 10 times what will give you 10? 10 times 1. So here 10 1 10. That is it. So that is the shortest part, and we doing it using the long method. Thank you guys. These are the rest of the questions. So 5 and 6. So try and then finish it, and then put it at my comment section. I'll give you the answers. Thank you very much. Bye.